Ever feel like AI is moving faster than we blink? Don't worry, today we are diving into how to create a professional looking podcast using hand-run AI tool. Buckle up, it's easier than you think. First, open ChatGPT and ask, could you give me the latest update article on inferior AI? Then hit generate. It will give you updated article. That's it. Then I ask it again, please add an introduction to inferior AI in order to explain my audience who don't know what inferior AI is. I want to use your script to make your YouTube podcast using Notebook LM. It gives me a full introduction of inferior AI. And that is it. This is what it gave me. Now it's time to generate an image. So in order to generate your image or your broadcast speakers, you have to get the description of the image or the prompt. This is the prompt that I get from a Sydney Studio YouTube channel, and I add something. I ask ChatGPT, I want you to provide me 3 detailed image prompt about 2 people having conversation in a podcast setup and in a studio with a female host and male guest. They are facing each other. I will give you in the description box the detailed prompt. After I add something, hit generate. It will provide you the exact prompt you asked as an image. Wow, it's great. And I asked it again, please let the man and woman face to the camera. Then it generated exactly what I need. Then I asked it again, wow, could you give me other photo like this? You should face camera directly. Then download. Step 2. Create a podcast audio. Go to Notebook LM. Click the first link. Once you open, it look like that. Select create. Once you select, you have different options. You can download from a Google Doc or put a link from any source that you want to make a podcast, or copy the text. I'm choosing copy the text. I'm copying the article that ChatGPT gave me earlier. That's text here. Hit insert. Hit generate where it says audio overview. 2 hosts English only. Generate. This will take a few minutes to make its magic. Once ready, check it. The notebook alarm will generate a realistic conversation between two voices, perfect for podcast.
Okay, so like everyone's got a podcast these days, right? A YouTube channel.
Even their grandma's doing TikTok dances.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of overwhelming, to be honest.
It is.
But imagine if you could be creating those awesome...
After you are satisfied, click three dots and download it. And you are good to go to the next step. To separate audio of a man and woman, you can use any video or audio editor. I'm using CapCut. Import the audio, add to the timeline, play the audio, stop the cursor to the point where the male ends and split it, and so on the female. When the female audio ends, add another split. After you're done splitting, move the female audio to the second timeline. It's moving so fast. In this way, separate the male and female's audio, select the female's timeline, and delete it. We have only male audio with a pause. For female, click on Export. Deselect the video and select audio name. Name it male and export the audio. Then click on this reverse button or press Ctrl+Z. It will bring back the female's audio. Now select and delete the male's audio and export the female's audio with a female name. We have successfully separated the both audios. To animate your image, go to Hedra AI, select Start for free, select Begin Creating. Log in if you have an account. If not, sign up. I already have an account, so I am logging in. Here, upload your audio. Nalandra. Go where your audio file saved. Here's where your character image will be. Upload the image of nail. Select the style you like and the aspect ratio. We're making YouTube video, so 16:9. Then hit generate. It will take a few minutes. After it's done, download it. And here's the result.
Even their grandma's doing TikTok dances. It is. Without needing a film crew or, spending weeks learning some complicated software.
Finally, use any free video editor like CapCut to combine your animations, audio, and images. Open CapCut, import main image of podcast which ChatGPT made and videos from Hedra. First, add main image of the podcast to the timeline. Then add the first video as a layer. Transform the size according to the main image and adjust exactly to the main image. Do the same to the male character video. After you finish all videos, add captions, music, and transitions to polish your video perfectly. Finally, export and download it to your computer. I have edited it in another method where I add female and male character to the timeline. Put each video aside and adjust it. then export and download.
Okay, so like everyone's got a podcast these days, right? A YouTube channel.
Even their grandma's doing TikTok dances.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of overwhelming, to be honest.
It is.
But imagine if you could be creating those awesome videos too, the ones that actually grab people's attention.
Without needing a film crew or, spending weeks learning some complicated software.
Right. That's exactly what we're diving into today, this thing called InVideo AI. And it's surprisingly easy.
Like shockingly easy.
I know. It's blowing my mind, and it's making me rethink this whole like I'm not a video person thing I've always told myself.
What's really cool is how InVideo is part of a much bigger shift happening right now.
Like, what do you mean?
Think about it. Even just a few years ago, video was this thing only professionals did, or you had to have tons of free time to learn all the tech stuff.
True.
Now, with these AI tools, anyone can make a decent video, even with just a smartphone.
It's like leveling the playing field, right? Everyone's got a chance to tell their story. But I gotta admit, when I first heard AI video creation, I had this picture in my head. Something super robotic.
Like those old text-to-speech voices.
Yeah, exactly. Or those like stock videos that are so cheesy.
I know what you mean.
But this in-video AI, it's different. It actually feels creative.
It really does. And that's what makes it so interesting. You'd think AI would just churn out generic stuff. But with InVideo, you have so much control.
Okay, so walk me through it. Let's say I want to make a video about, I don't know, my cat's obsession with cardboard boxes. Just something cute and simple for Instagram.
Perfect example. With InVideo, you wouldn't have to spend hours digging through stock footage or trying to figure out transitions.
And there you have it, the professional quality video made entirely with free AI tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop comment if this helped you. See you in the next AI-powered adventure.